Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Ikra English School. I hope you all must be fine, dear students. Listen, this is your class 3rd NCERT book Looking Around. Today we will read the chapter number 5. First of all, I will give you the introduction of the chapter. The chapter's name is Chotu's House. In this chapter, it is discussed that when anyone comes to a new city, how many problems he faces. In this chapter, Chotu has come to Mumbai for the first time. Like sometimes we are to go far away from our house for searching job and earn money. Do you know Mumbai is the capital of the Maharashtra? Mumbai is a very big city. Mumbai is the new city. That's why everything is just new for Chotu. Because of being new in the city, he has no house. There are 6 scenes in this chapter, and you are to understand the chapter by watching properly the scene. This is the first scene, and as you know that this is Chotu. He has come first time to Mumbai, and in the first scene it is shown that Chotu has come to the new city and he is watching here and there. Surprisingly, everything is just new for him in the new city. Now this is the second scene. Because of being new in the city, he has no house, and because of having not house, he became wet in the rainy season. In this picture, Chotu is thinking, oh, might I would have a house, then I would save myself from rain, hot, cold wind and strong wind. This is the third scene of the chapter. You are watching that Chotu is sleeping in a sewer pipe. So in this scene, the scene is shown that that Chotu saw a sewer pipe and he decided to make the pipe his home. Here you are watching that he made his bedroom inside the pipe and his kitchen just out of the pipe. He also kept a drum to keep clean water to drink, and he tied a rope to dry off his washed clothes. Are you watching? This is a sewer pipe. Chotu is cooking food just out from the pipe. He has a drum of clean drinking water. There is a rope where he dry his washed clothes, and this is a bed of Chotu inside the pipe. Now this is the fifth scene. After few months, Chotu saw a boy like him has come in Mumbai. This is the next boy whose Chotu is watching from here. So Chotu decided to make him his friend and keep him with him. Here, as you are watching that, Chotu invited the boy to stay with him because he had already faced many problems in the new city. So he decided to help the boy, and he very well knows that how many problems to a new person of a city is faces. That is why he decided to invited Chotu to live with him, and he also needed a friend too. There is some questions. I will give you the answer of this question. So this was the chapter explanation of the chapter. So listen carefully the explanation and try to understand. Take care.